Today we're talking about Kohberger, but it's about those 4 victims. Let's welcome our guests for this hour. Joining me right now is trial attorney Lateef Gray in Oakland, California, and in Chicago, Illinois, trial attorney Mike Jaafar. Thank you for staying with us for this hour, this special coverage of the Kohberger hearings. First off, let me get your response, Michael, to what we've seen so far today, that the fact that he didn't address the judge, he had his attorney do it on his behalf and pleading not guilty. Have you seen that before? Is that uncommon? Is that common?
It's uncommon, but I've seen it before. It happens. Sometimes some people stand mute. Sometimes some people have their the court put in the plea for them. It's uncommon, but it happens. There's a number of reasons why that would happen. One of the reasons might be just for him to be a little bit more contrite, and they may be gearing up for a plea. This is just my educated guess. They may be gearing up for a plea. They may not be gearing up for a plea. But at the end of the day, it's more of a non-issue, in my opinion. The big issue is obviously what he's being charged with. He did, in fact, put in a non-guilty plea, even though the court put it in for him. He's taking a position. We're going to see where that goes. It might go several ways, but one of the guesses is he may be gearing up for a plea. But he's clearly coherent. So clearly, the thing that makes this odd is he's a coherent person, so he knew how to say the words not guilty. The fact that he chose not to do it, it was intentional, but my guess is it might be because he might be gearing up for a plea.